In this video, we're gonna talk about merge sort, how it works, and its time complexity. Without further ado, let's start. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It divides the input array into two halves, calls itself for the two halves, and then merges the two sorted halves. Let's go into the details and see how it works on an example array. We call merge sort on this array, and this divides the array into two halves, and then each subarray will merge sort itself. This is the recursive part of this algorithm. The next step is to call merge sort on the left half, and that divides the left half into two halves again. One important thing is that we don't tackle the subarrays one layer at a time, and we go with one branch at a time. We start from the leftmost branch and continue towards the rightmost branch. Now in this step, we have two one-element arrays, and we know that a one-element array is a sorted array. Now we start to merge. Here, merging is easy. We first put the smaller element in the original array, and then the bigger one. The left branch is sorted, and in the right branch, we only have a one-element array, and we know that a one-element array is a sorted array. So now that the both halves are sorted, we call merge to merge the sorted halves. We start by comparing the first elements in each half. 1 is smaller than 12, so we first put 1 in the original array. We don't have any elements left in the right half to compare with the left half, and the left half is fully sorted, so we just need to put the whole left half in the original array. Now the left branch is fully sorted, and we need to tackle the right branch by calling the merge sort function. You got the idea. Let's see the rest. Let's just once again see how the merge function works on these two sorted halves. We start by comparing the first elements in each half, and we put 1 in the original array, and we move the left half's index to the next element. The next two elements to compare are 9 and 3. We put 3 in the original array, and we move the right half's index to the next element. And we continue until we run out of elements in both halves. The time complexity of merge sort can be expressed as the following recurrence relation. Merge sort always divides the array into two halves and takes linear time to merge the two halves. We can solve this recurrence by using either the recurrence tree method or the master method. And solving it gives us the big O of n log n for the time complexity. We need to have in mind that merge sort uses more space because we need to create new subarrays to store elements. So n auxiliary space is required, and the space complexity would be O of n. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this was useful for you. If you are interested in similar content, please consider subscribing to this channel.